So this is the second part of my recording of the video because for the first one I didn't touch the demos. So here I want to touch on the demo that I worked on with all these three methodology that I mentioned. So the first one is the Markov random field. With the Markov random field, I applied the unary and pairwise potential to compare the pixels for the with with the segmentation labels for either it's background or the foreground. So for that, I just will start with the class and then estimate the model with the help of calculation of unary and pairwise, then run from that same unary and pairwise throughout the expansion algorithm. And then I test the image. I also pass different parameters for this task with different threshold values. This is the results that I get from that unary and pairwise potential difference with the MRF segmentation method. Now, second one is absolute difference between three consecutive images. Here I pass the input directory, the process directory that is going to work, say, all the filtered output. So these images, these are the data set of the small parts that I have. And then at end, we'll store the output in three consecutive output contours. So first, these are the path initialization. Here it is going to work work with Gaussian blur, and the second one is histogram equalization. And then after it is going to observe the common change between three consecutive images, that is going to work with the absolute difference, and then apply the morphological filter to these images after which is going to work with the dilation as well and addition, and then detect the contour, that the same method we used in one of the assignment. And last, this is going to give us the output of three consecutive images that is going to overlap each other on. Then the YOLO version 8 comes. For the YOLO version 8, I make the image size 640, 25 epoch, and train the model. Then it takes all and all like 6 hours, sorry, to train the model. I'm using Google Colab with 25 RAM, as well as other hardware details. As per the Google Colab documentation, it says that it is using GPU because I'm using the higher version of Google Colab, as well as it is sometimes work with the TPU, but those plans are more costlier. So for this research, no, it is not going to work with TPUs. So all and all, it's 6 hours. That's hard. And also it is going to plot different matrices. These are the training metrics that I get with the class loss as well as mean average precision. Now I think to get more, I get small bird detection, but I also want to work with more data sets to make this more wonderful. And I try to test with different testing data sets. So these are the data output from that. Yes. So here I mentioned the other video with all the demo of the code that I. Thank you.